for so long, we've only got to experience a very narrow form of networked computation in the world with the internet, with our computing devices. And things like Holochain open up a new sort of adjacent possible for exploring new new forms of network computation, new patterns. And this is super generic, but just speaking to the point of like these different paradigms and taking the pressure off of specific business models, like there's just this whole new space that has not really been explored yet of agent-centric distributed computations. And that's just really exciting there's a really exciting space to be in and to be exploring and trying to establish patterns that have high potential to evolve and be useful to people.